So let's go to the next operator now. So logical operators. So to explain this, let's consider two Boolean variables a and b. A is having value true and b is having the value false. So basically what logical operators do, they like check for conditions. Basically they are checking for conditions, that if two conditions are true, if we use AND, so then both the condition have to be true, otherwise it will be a false. So like in logical AND operation in digital electronics and all, we do like if both the numbers are 1 being true, okay, so if both the number are 1, then the output is 1, okay. And in an AND operation, logical AND operation, if any of the one numbers are 0, the output comes out to be 0, okay. So basic funda is that only. You have to just, if we write here a and b, this is a logical operator, logical AND, we say it logical AND. So then what will be the output of this? So a is true, b is false. So okay, so 1 is false, then answer will always be a false, if false. Similarly for logical OR operation, we can do like a or b. So if same as digital electronics, logical AND, if we perform OR operation on two numbers, if any one of them is 1, then the output comes out to be 1, right? So here 1 is true, so that will come out to be true. Then we have logical NOT operator, which basically used to invert the output, okay. So like if we have a and b and we just put NOT at the starting of it, just acts like a NOT operation, logical NOT. So it was coming out to be a and b is false, we've done it here, so it will just negate the output, okay. So it will come out to be true. So we basically use these logical operators in comparisons and condition checking in if loops and all. So you will learn about them in the coming videos, okay. Coming to the next type of operator, assignment operators. So as the name suggests, the alignment operators are basically used to assign a value to a variable, okay. So like if we want a variable to carry a value 30, so how can we make sure that 30 is an integer type? So 30 is an integer value that should be contained inside C. So we write C equal to 30. Also we can perform various arithmetic operations, like if we have a is equals to 10, we have assigned it, then b is equal to 20, so we can like assign these values, like c is equals to a, so then c will contain the value 10 here, or c equal to a plus b. So here it is an arithmetic operation, here we are performing arithmetic operation. So what it will do, c will now contain the value 10 plus 20, which will be obviously 30, okay. So I'll just write 30 here. So basically this is what assignment operator do. It just assigns the value to a variable. There are different variation of this operator you can do. Like if we write, let's take a variable. Yeah, we've taken a variable c plus equal to a. So what does this mean? This basically elaborates as, let me show you. This basically elaborates as c is equal to c plus a. So what is the value of c? Already we have given 30. Okay, like here we have given 30. Let's forget about this right now. A, B and C we have given there. C is 30. So what will happen? 30 plus 10. So the value of C will be updated now. So the value of C will now contain 40. So it's just a shortcut to like minimize the number of writing, minimize the writing, basically for faster coding and all. So let's move to the next type of operators, which may be like miscellaneous operators, which are basically miscellaneous operators. So different types of other operators like conditional operators. Conditional operators we represented by so I'll tell you just what is this. Basically this operator is also called as ternary operator. Basically most of the time we use the term ternary operator for this. What is this? So basically it is having it consists of 3 operands, and it's basically used to evaluate Boolean expression. Like you can use this for if statement and all. I'll just show you an example for this. So let's consider if we have an integer a containing a value 10 and an integer b and an integer b containing a value maybe, okay, so just we'll take one variable, just follow this. We'll assign b equal to a equal to 1. You know what equal to mean. Is it equal to 1? If it is equal to 1, then assign the value as 20. Otherwise assign the value as 30. So this is how we like code. It's basically if condition. If you can see, if the value of a is 1, then if the value of a is 1, then assign b is equal to 20, otherwise assign b is equal to 30. So if here the value of a is not equal to 1, so what will be here? B is equal to here 30. So basically it's just like an if statement. It's evaluated if this condition, this is a condition, if this condition is true then do this, if this condition is false then do this. So this is ternary operator. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. In the next video I'll be telling you about not telling you, I will be showing you how to use these operators actually in a programming. situation. Okay, thank you.